now to complete the processor, we have the fan that goes on the top. As you can see, just pull that out. You'll see when you inspect the motherboard here, there's some almost a drawing of how this lays on top here. To apply that fan, you just undo these wires, and you'll see it lines up pretty nicely here. And we want to pop these into place. Here, kind of popping into those little locations. And give them a quick twist to sort of lock them down. There we go. And then you will see, if you read the little letters by the plug, you'll see one of them says CPU fan, and that's going to be the plug that you drop, or that you plug this into. And at that point you've successfully installed the CPU fan. You can kind of tuck the wires back into their housing as you see fit. Keep it nice and organized. But that's all there is to it to finish that installation.